In this video, how to update your ASUS motherboard's BIOS using the Easy Flash utility. First, search for MS-Info32 and open the System Information app. Here, you can find your current BIOS version, its release date, and your motherboard's model name. Press Ctrl+C to copy the motherboard model. Next, go to the ASUS website, asus.com, and search for your motherboard model. It's very important to choose the exact model. Double-check the name, revision number, whether it has Wi-Fi or not, and the chipset. If you pick the wrong model, you might see an error like this during the update. For example, my motherboard is the one without Wi-Fi. Click on the support link. Select Drivers and Tools. Choose BIOS and Firmware. Now, let's download the latest BIOS update. I'll pick the most recent version. After downloading, extract the contents of the zip file to your computer. The usual way to update the BIOS is by copying the extracted file to a USB drive. However, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update the BIOS without a USB drive. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Disk Management. Right-click on any partition and choose Shrink Volume. You only need a small partition. For example, I'll shrink a 1 GB volume. You'll now see an unallocated space. Right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Follow the steps in the wizard to create a new volume. This step is optional, but I suggest formatting it as FAT32. Once that's done, copy the BIOS update file to this new volume. Now, restart your computer. As it starts up, press the Delete key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Switch to Advanced Mode. Select the Tool menu. Choose ASUS Easy Flash Utility. Now, select the volume you created in Windows. In my case, it's the FS2 volume. Select the BIOS update file. When updating your BIOS, it's recommended to use a stable power source, such as AC power or a UPS. If BitLocker is enabled, suspend its protection before updating the BIOS to prevent recovery key prompts. If possible, back up your current settings and data. Only update the BIOS if it's truly necessary. If your computer is working fine, you don't need to update the BIOS. Finally, do not interrupt post-flash reboots. Review the information and press Yes to continue. This process might take a few minutes, so please be patient. When it's finished, press F1 to go back to the BIOS setup. As you can see, the BIOS has been successfully updated to the new version. You can now choose to load optimized defaults, or go back to Advanced Mode and re-enable any settings you need, like UEFI, Secure Boot, Virtualization, and TPM, if they were turned off. In Windows, you can open the System Information app again to verify it works. We don't need the small partition anymore, so you can delete it to free up space. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.